get right into trading. I'm gonna grab the video real quick. My channel. I just want to get it out real fast. I'm gonna get better and better and better at this. Okay. I'll go over maybe 5 minutes on the live. Let's see here. This camera's been shutting off, and I have to like reset the camera every day. It's okay though. Ugh. Open up chat. Man, I'm feeling good today. A little bit tired. I can't find my live. I can't find my my video. What the heck? It's not showing. There it is. I was gonna say it wasn't showing on there. I just realized I think yesterday's said biblical mindset for trading. Trading NQ futures live. Okay, beautiful. Grab that link, share it out. If you're with me right now in the chat, say what's up. Oh my gosh, I didn't even share it yet. We got 12 people. That's beautiful. Starting to get a little bit better there on the sharing element. Right. Go there. And we have PM EST share. Beautiful. Thank you, beautiful wife. Got the coffee. I was up late till like 5, 6, 7 in the morning. Something crazy. Ugh. And you're like, why would you do that, Bob? Because I like it. I actually love at night. My family's gone in the morning anyways. So it's like it allows me to spend the whole evening with them, you know. What's up, life? How you doing, man? That's a new picture. It's a new picture. I don't know how I remember those little small things like that, but like I just know that's not your same picture. Life is a wild ride. Good to see you, buddy. Dion Fret, what's up, man? Rummel, sure hope all is well. It's all well, man. God is good. Gary M, afternoon, beautiful. What's up, man? Arnold Soto, Bahama Mundi. What's up, man? Great name. All right, I'm gonna go over to futures here and Q. All right, she finally tanked. This is what we wanted yesterday. See that? Actually, if we would have held, look at this. This was our trade yesterday. Look at that. We were right. What do you know? We were right, guys. My wife just dropped off some eggs and avocado, so if you hear me yapping with my mouth a little bit, I don't know what to tell you. By the way, no, I don't want that. It's gross. Whoever uses this green. All right, so I got this thing for you to try. What's up, David Rowe? Well, look who it is, Brian. Just try this once. Don't hate me, okay? Take Tabasco sauce, this green jalapeno sauce, my favorite sauce in the world. Well, one of them. And you're going to hate me. Oh, use sugar-free. But throw on some sugar-free syrup with that Tabasco sauce. You won't even believe it. Like, it's pretty good. I did it by accident one day. I'm like, oh, that's pretty freaking good. Oh, man. Is Scotty in here? If not, I'm going to go ahead and share to everywhere. Let's see here. Sucks premium. Five hours sleep, all good. Got that coffee, all good. Let's see. Institutional. I'm so excited. We have so many of our one-on-one students, Futures Bootcamp. Like, so many people are finally getting payouts. It's blowing my mind. So mad props to all the people who wake up every day Don't feel like doing it, but do it anyways. Show up in your folders with us. When I say folders, that means like your group. Shows up every day, regardless if it's boring or choppy or whatever, because nobody knows how the market's actually going to be. And you keep pushing through, even after failing your 127th prop firm account. You're still here. What's wrong with you? Maybe you caught that bug, that trading bug. That's what happened to me. It's okay. Trading has allowed me to pull down a multi-million-dollar company that was killing me. Like, quite literally. Could have sold the company, but I hated it that much. I actually stopped taking sales on purpose. I know. What's up, Steve? What's up, Joanne? Oh, no, yeah, no sugar. Heck no, screw sugar. Everybody's like, oh, but sugar-free is so bad for you. But you know what? It is what it is. I like sugar-free, so suck it. What's up, Corey? How you doing, man? Pastor Palmer, I feel like I failed 127 preference, but I'm still here. Yeah. Hey, man. Hey, I've failed that many, but the whole idea is, okay, if you average, you know this, man, you're not dumb. But if you average $30 a prop firm, that's 3,600-ish, 3,700-ish. Hopefully, all of a sudden you start getting payouts, and then your payout was 10,000. Okay, well, you have a 1 to 3 now. Now you got that basically a free education by failing some prop firm challenges. You just got to reframe it. And I know you're probably not thinking that way, but you know. What on earth, Brian? Are you going to trade NMQ? MNQ. That's the goal. I want to trade MNQ. Well, I guess you buy hot honey similar. It's really, dude, I'm telling you, Brian, it was a complete accident. This is my lunch, actually. 2 whole eggs, 8 egg whites, avocado, and some coffee. Here's Tana's indicator. Where is that? Obviously, we should probably try to start going for some highs. This is what we like to see, guys. We want to see, like yesterday, we were stuck. If you recall, we were stuck up here just nonstop going for highs. What time was that? 3, 4? You're just stuck in highs, and we're like, man, it's probably going to go down. And it did. This was our actual entry. If we would have held, it should have, could have, right? But we couldn't afterwards anyways. So on the 1 hour, this isn't even a, that's not even a block to me, because see how this wick is higher than this wick. So this isn't a block, at least not a 1 hour block. So what I would love to do is essentially let it pull back up. Let's see, make sure my wavelength's up. I don't know if it is. Can you guys hear me all right? Hold on. I can't see my wavelength, so I gotta make sure you guys can see me. There we are. There we are. Okay. Yeah, you should be able to hear me good. Okay. If I'm ever like cracking and stuff, let me know, because the recordings suck. Let's see. C-Wagger, sessions high lows. Yeah, I have FOMO. I want to pass the challenge so bad, and I have to go back to work, and I can't trade with Bob after today. Oh, buddy. I took 1 micro trade today to flip a past account. Man, you're getting so good at, I shouldn't say man. Tana, you're getting so good at passing those accounts. It's crazy. Let's mark this up. Oh, we got yesterday's low right here. So I'm going to mark these up. This is a fair value gap right here. We could potentially take a buy off of this fair value gap. There's another one right here. And inside that, there quite literally, probably, most likely is a, let me get rid of this too. Good trade yesterday, guys. Good trading. I don't need this on, Tana. I don't keep my stuff on. Let's see what VWAP's looking like. Okay, cool. VWAP's lining up for this band. It's fair value gap, all that stuff. But let's go to the 15 minutes, see if there's anything inside there. We could potentially take a 15-minute buy block right here, but it's probably pretty weak, right? Long. Put our stop under here, though. That'd be pretty good. And go to here. Be a pretty good potential trade right there. Still going 1 minute now. See how they just line up nicely with the freaking VWAP right here? That wasn't even intentional. Let me catch up with you guys. I need indicators for confluence. Bob sent me a message. Sent message in my inbox. I need the indicators for confluence. Huh. Are you asking me to send you one, or did I send you one? I have had to do one more trade in Asian this afternoon, and it will be passed. What's up, Aiden? I'm under consistency. I have $300 extra profit, so there really isn't anything I can do to blow it. Look at you, Tana. Are you to a payout yet, Tana? I'm not going to buy this. Here's why. Unless. No, I just shouldn't. We see how this wick didn't go lower than this wick? That's a sell block. So it would have to get above that for me to take it. And then in order for me to take it, it would have to break another solid external structure, which is a 5-minute structure. So we would have to just assume that it's going to break that structure. Otherwise, our reward's only going to be, I don't know. So what I'd rather do, I'd rather sell it, because it's only a 15-minute block. It's not as strong as a 1-hour block. And I think it can go down to that fair value gap. So yeah, sells. It would have been maybe an entry already. If we put our stop above this VWAP line and that right there, we can target this fair value gap. Let's just look at that real quick. Maybe it can pull up a little bit farther for us here. Trade, limit, sell. If we were to sell right here, I mean, all I could do is 10 micros anyways on this stupid thing, so I might as well do this trade. Man, that would have been a good little tag in right here. So I don't know if it's going to give it to us now. If it pulls back up into that area, I'm going to take it to sell. Dang it. Give it to us. That was the entry right here, so I'm hoping it gives us one more. Actually, we have another opportunity. Right below it. This one. A little bit bigger stop. I'll enter for a sell off this right here. It comes up to this line. Come on, Quant Tower, load up. What you doing, Willis? What you doing, Willis? Where's my chart? Load up the data. Load up the data. Don't you do it to me. A little bit higher. No, no, no. 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 All right. Here. Watch this. Watch this. 740. 10 micro. I'm getting in. Sell. There. That's how you FOMO. You still have to adjust. Okay. You have to adjust. So I was willing to risk up to 1,000 on this. I could use max 10 micro, right? This puts me above this external high and above this VWAP, right? Pretty safe. Has to break through a 15-minute block, but it's not a 1-hour block, so it's a little bit better. And I think it's just going to come right to this this area right here. It's a nice little scalp. By the way, I have to update my stats. I lost one. No, I broke even. Broke even. I don't know what I did yesterday. Was it a break even and then a win? Break even, win. Tell me what I did yesterday, please. $47. I think it was a break even. No, my bad. That's total. 46. One break even. 46. Tell me. Sell until you can't sell anymore. I have 4,200 profit in one of them. Beautiful. I could take one, but I don't have to. I don't want to yet. Beautiful. I cloud out of my TV. Oh, my bad. I thought I already added that to you. If I didn't, my apologies. As far as Confluence, though, I'd rather. All right, I'll do it for you. But like personally, I don't think it's. I like to have everybody wait, but I'll do that for you, bro. Oh, see, I already added that to you a while ago. You just have to close out and reload your trading view. It's the chat now. It just reloaded. I'm like everywhere. Like just looking everywhere right now. Let's see, MNQ. We hit the fair value gap. We wicked the 15-minute block. I could take that out. I don't know how far I want to take this. I mean, if it can go to here, that'd be freaking really sick, right? What is this funded at? 4,900. Might play little games right here. Did touch the fair value gap, but it didn't finish touching this band. Bob, last night during the Asian session, gold was on fire. I took a $1,000 trade, so today I can't trade more than 500 top step max in a day. Well, congrats. So hopefully you heard me. Come on, let's get a push, guys. Let's go. Let's look at this on the 5. Let's look at 5-minute here. I have a little block here that's having a hard time getting past, but what we could do is this could be like our TP. This little 5-minute block. Just hoping that it pushes through that fair value gap. Again, don't have to break records. Why can't I see chat? Is nobody talking? It's this music. It's this music, guys. Hold on. This music's like killing me. It's like play me a violin sadness, you know. Let's do this. Really excited for the VIP. I love this first hour with you guys, but the VIP and Features Bootcamp and one-on-one members only session, I get to like play whatever music I want. like this stuff sucks. I'll be honest. It's horrible. All right, where are we at? We didn't touch it yet. I'm just gonna put my take profit right here. Oh, don't you do it to me. Push a little harder. Oh, that's so dumb. Don't you do it. Trade an MNQ, baby. NASDAQ. 180 times 1. I should have grabbed that, I'm going to be honest. But I like to hold it a little bit. This is on my funded, so this is the second profitable day. You need 5. See if she could hit. Push. I'm just going to grab that. 350. Nice little quick dub for the day. Not the best risk reward, obviously, but that's the picking money off the ground. Like for all the risk reward people, they're like, like to me, that was like a layup trade. It was an easy trade, right? I didn't have to be a hero. I didn't have to, like, I see this fair value gap. It can reject that and push up from there. But I knew it would probably at least get to the fair value gap, right? So with that said, why wouldn't I pick up the $100 bill off the ground? Now, obviously, try not to touch the fentanyl. I prefer the $100 bill be in my couch that I found, right? Like, jokes. All right, she did come to our area. So let's look what we got here. That was a beautiful trade. I know that some of you guys held that. We're already at a 0.96. I'm going to update this. Update my win ratio here. 47 wins, 16 losses. This is the 7th week. By the way, guys, if you're new here, you should hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Couch Change Millionaire, bro. I will make that site right now. $400 win for Market Gem. Congratulations. 280 on a one funded for Brian Goldstein. On a funded, are you profitable overall on that funded, buddy? Just curious. Are we at 76 yet? We are at still at 75. Just a measly 75% win rate. What a joke, right? What a joke. See, you can get away with a 75% win rate even with a 0.5. Nah, it makes it a little tighter. What would the math be on that? Meaning, what I was saying is, if you're good with your break evens and your DCA, but like overall, okay, full blown losses. Let's see, 7 would be 3.5, 2.5, 1.2. Yeah, you would still be profitable with a. Am I right? I think it'd be like 1.5% gain or something if you risk 1% per trade. I should make a spreadsheet. Well, let's do the math. All right, we have, let's count 10 trades. That'd be 7.5 times 0.5. That's 3.75 reward. 2.5 times 0.5. 1.2. Yeah. Minus 3. Did I say 3.75? You would be up 2.5. If you're just 1% per trade, you'd be up 2.5 with the horrible. And we do better than this. Okay, we do better than this. Okay, but I was saying if you just took 7.5 trades at 0.5 reward, which is horrible. That's a 1 to 0.5. That's a horrible thought. Like, you shouldn't go for that, right? You still would be profitable with a 75% win rate. You still be at 2.5%. If you risk 1.1% per trade, it's good to do this math. That means if you can do anything better than a 0.5 reward and keep your 75% win rate, you're going to be a profitable trader. Like, you don't have to overly do this. And the reason I'm saying this is because there's so much misconception out there about risk reward. People are like, oh my gosh, well, I have to have this and I have to. No, you don't, bro. You don't have to have amazing risk reward every time. Do we go for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s? Absolutely. But the market doesn't always give it to you, you know? That's your secret. You just go to ChatGPT. I just ate those eggs like a dog. See if we can get a buy here. I'm so upset I didn't take that on my funded, actually. I swear I wasn't going to do that anymore. MNQZ 5, right? Might have a buy. I'd rather sell, but we might have a buy. All right, let's look here. This ended up being a 1 to 1.26 if you held it up to, right? All right, so we have a little area we could buy right here. We're coming out of a 5-minute block. This fair value gap's toast. We could take this buy up. It's, again, risky. Don't risk the farm on it. For me, see if I can get at least a point. Yeah, it's just trash. I don't want to put it directly under this low, but you can put it under here. We look, this could be a loss, so just be careful. If you can't take a loss, don't freaking get in this. Simple as that. Oh, but Bob, you got in. Oh. Excuse me. I'm at 50,308. So technically, in 3 more days, I could take a payout, I think. So there's no buffer. I close up here. I'll take a little stab at this. Not my favorite trade, but, you know, we got a little target area, raw her. Little fair value got raw, you know what I'm saying? Whole thing right there. I do that for my son. I embarrass him. There's that. Boom. So we got a little order block and a fair value gap. The target. Wow, did I just delete that one? Boom. Could be a good thing. All right, and then for this episode, I'm gonna put 22 micros or a 1K loss on my other take profit trader accounts. Now, I want to sell up here. So remember yesterday when I completely, by the way, nobody mentioned that, how amazing that trade was yesterday. I got us out. All right. I didn't get us out of, but I called it. Okay. I'm not trying to be like, look at me, but kind of just saying. where I literally said, hey, it's probably going to come up here. We can get out and then we can sell and get out here, right? It literally worked out. Remember that yesterday? I was like, oh my gosh, we're in drawdown. Oh no, we can get out up here. If it comes through here, 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 tag here, boom. We sold here, bam. I think that was right there. Yeah, it was right there, literally. So we're going to try to do that again, that prediction. I need more interaction, guys. I don't know what's going on with you today. Say what's up in the chat. How was your evening? How was your trading this morning? Who's all profited today? Let's get a roll call. Who's all profited? All right, we broke through this 5-minute block now. Ooh, which is a great thing because you know why? Now we can look for a sell. Why? Because we have this block, a sell block. So we're going to sell till it doesn't sell anymore. Just get in like something like that, a little something, you know what I'm saying? Put it above like a fair value gap or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Bam. Oops. I was just say like quarter of the way in. 1-to-1 there, no problem. So I look at 1-to-1. Oh, no problem, Alex. Grab 170 on the first one. Beautiful. What's up, Mark? How you doing, buddy? Up almost $200 on the funded today. Oh, Aiden. I got 2 more days for this account. We're on a race for our new little funded accounts. When's your next payout, Aiden? And when can you get a payout? Hey, Corey, man. It's okay to lose, buddy. See, you paid for mentorship. And that right there, I could feel the tension in your mind and your heart about that loss through the screen. Trust me. Like I've just been doing this for long enough. That right there is what we're going to work on. It's not the entry. Although we will work on the entry, but you know what I'm saying? It's not what you think we're going to do with you. And that comes time. I'm not saying like months, but that's where we're going to be like saying, see how you handle losses, see how it affects your day, see if you go and FOMO like crazy, and then we have to build different things around you. No. We just, do me a favor. Did you send me those trades that you took and why you took them? So anytime you take a trade without me from this point forward, I want you to show me why you're taking this trade. Show me the higher time frame, lower time frame with the GAN boxes and everything, how we teach you in one-on-one, okay? Deity, I did. I was about to get back to you after the call today. That was a really good video. There was a couple things on it, but I'm sure it's easy to change. I really liked how you had an eye for all that. My only thought on that was, you probably know this, is shorts, I think, is a 1 minute max. But I really do like your work, bro. I really do. I used to trade with like 3 different mentorship. And by the way, I made my video bigger now. So is the quality better for like the shorts? Like my video on the left, Deity. Then we can work something out, okay? I would love to get 1 a day, ultimately. Like, even on the weekend. So 7 a week. So if you could work me out some kind of deal, that'd be really awesome. Because, you know, my issue is I could hire like a Filipino and they'll do it, all of them for, yeah, I'm not trying to discredit you. I don't even know where you're from. You know what I mean? Oh, shorts are 90 seconds. By the way, I love hiring Filipinos and Colombians for like minuscule tasks because they do such great work. They're respectful. I've had Filipinos on my team for like years, guys. It's crazy. Okay. Yeah, just tag me again in Discord. By the way, I don't know if anybody shared this on Discord, but I have to get Discord rolling, guys. If you guys want to like be active in there, that'd be awesome. I don't know how, like, I never ran a Discord channel, but like I do know this. We have 35. We have 100 people in there, 101 people in there, and I barely pushed that sucker, which is awesome. Celebrate wins. People are putting their celebrate wins in there. Thumper. Who's Thumper, by the way? Happy Waffles. Been trading for 4 months. Can't watch the stream because I'm usually sleeping due to work night shift. Beautiful. Beautiful. So close. Top Step. Happy Waffles. Congratulations if you're on here. And this sucker just keeps going, doesn't it? All right, so let's look here. All right, so let's look. We could now move to look for a buy. Actually, let's go on the higher time frame again. We were just tanking that original sell that we were in. We were right on direction again, at least. The original sell we were in would have been a 1 to 2.58 already. Yep, sounds good, buddy. I need to get in there. Awesome. I'm used to Discord for trading. You know what I hate about Discord? I go on Discord, it looks like a gosh dang video game. It looks like a video game, and I'm freaking like staring, and I see so many groups on the left, and they all have those notifications. And to me, it's really kind of hard. It's kind of confusing to, you know, you can get really distracted. In trading, the last thing you need is distraction, right? Let's see, 24749. Yeah, I mean, I definitely think it's possible. That would be my external low, like what I'm thinking, okay, it's gonna overall gonna go that direction if that happened. Essentially, we're now approaching a 1 hour block, which is great because we can take buys from this right here. Last down before the up, see? Wow, this could be a really good trade, guys. Look at all that imbalance in the market right there. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, we got like 23 more minutes until our member only call. By the way, Deity, if you're my I don't know if you go to the lives or you staying on the lives or how does that work? But I do my Zoom calls between 2 and 4 with my members only. What is going on here? Chill out, bro. Chill out. All right, look, we hit a 1 hour block. 5 minute. Here's the deal. If this goes green, I'm going to do what you call a bounce. All right. I use a bigger stop. This is picking money off the couch. It's not your high risk reward trade. It's not your like, ooh. It's not your like, hey, set the recorder up. We're going to put this on Instagram. We're going viral trade. Okay. This is, I'm going to feed my family this week trade. You know what I'm saying? I like to do it on the 5 minute. Yeah. So correct, Corey. Just mute the rest. All you need is Solomon trading. Oh, thank you, Roger. Appreciate you, man. I get in there. I'm like, where the heck is my, where's my channel even? That'll be up here over the weekend. And Asian man, to Antonio. I'm saying Asian man because that's his username. Don't get all, you said Asian man. All right. That was so last year. Stop like woke-ism me. I'm not woke, all right? I'm just saying. Here's a screen. I'm in mentorship. How do I get the members only call? I don't see it in a VIP calendar. So I can't put it in the VIP calendar, Whitney, because we have people that like gank the link and like give it to people. So every day I put a new one. I put it in Institutional Trading Made Easy under Bob. Let me get this trade ready real quick. And I put it in Solomon Trading. We're going to buy. My stop under the 1 hour block. Clear this out. This would be where I buy. Where the heck is my stop? All right, there's my stop. I can't do any more than 10, but I don't want to lose. Well, so I gained. I could actually probably do this trade. I don't know how it works though. 7. Let's do. We'll just keep it. We'll keep it chill. We'll keep it sophisticated. All right. It may not reverse right now, but I'm just gonna do it. Dude, this music's the problem. Oh, so annoying, this music. I'm gonna try their AI music real quick. Let's see if we can make that work today. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's horrible. Aiden, you should make me a playlist, bro. It has to be where you could download the MP3s. Hey Aiden, I'll pay you $100. Make me a 2-hour long playlist. Pay you $100. Very demure trade, Bob. Now I feel like I'm in some like weird movie. Very demure. Very demure. 6-7. Oh no, I did it. I finally had to look up what that meant. It was so freaking annoying. My kids just kept doing it. Make sure don't believing. Sure don't stop believing is on there. See, I can't. I could do that on the private. Problem is when I'm doing like recordings for the gram. Yeah, I want like epic playlists. My son is requesting epic music. I want epic. Non-copy. It has to be non-copyrighted, yeah. Extra copyrighted. So I'll take this too, guys. So it's got to close, though. Well, that ain't working. See, AI can't help itself but add 20 different instruments at once. It's like, no, let's just throw it all in there. The whole kitchen sink. We're just going to throw every freaking music, every single instrument we could imagine. Go. Like, it doesn't understand how us human thinks yet. So stupid. Dumb AI. What's wrong with you, AI? Now we're going to copyright harder. Yeah, we're going to go so hard. We're going to go so hard during our members only that happens in 14 minutes. 15 minutes. If you're not a member yet, guys, I don't know what to tell you. Just join at Solomon Trading VIP. It's just $97 a month, and you get my indicator and everything. SolomonTrading.com. Go there. It's $97 a month. Cancel anytime. Most people don't. They just chill. They hang out. They become one of us. Nobody goes anywhere. That's my whole goal. I want it to be a white glove treatment. You come in. I'm going to shoot you a quick little personal message, like a legit one. I'll even say your name. And then we go live, and then you get my indicator, and then you get me 10 hours a week, plus my coaches I pay on your behalf to do openings and stuff like that. Opens, New York Opens, and I think there's even an Asian session. 16 more times a month, right, dude? You're not going to get anywhere better than this, I promise. Like, for real, you won't, and that's the goal. All right, let me do this. That's where I want it. I'm going to be buying this, guys. So chisel my nizzle for shizzle. All right. We got a minute and a half. Hopefully it doesn't reject this stupid thing, huh? I think it should go up. Clarity looking good on 5. Let's see. Yes, it is, sir. Yes, it is. Here's a clarity indicator. You get this indicator, by the way, when you... I need to make it see the background's better. This sucks. You can't even see that background. But you get this indicator when you join Futures Bootcamp. So there's that. That's the next step up above Solomon Training VIP. A lot of people have both. Soon I'll be able to include both of them in a monthly, which is what I'll do. So you can get in right now for a one-time if you were interested. Yes, I'm a salesman. I'm a business owner. I'm a businessman. I'm not just a business. I'm a businessman. What is that, Jay-Z? It's for all my homies. You know what I'm saying? I'm on a roll today. All right, here we go. So where's my music? I feel like hip hop, but I'll never do that to you guys. I don't listen to that anymore because I stopped listening to hip hop because I would go out. I'd be angry. It really matters what you put in your ear holes. I'd listen to hip hop, and all of a sudden I want to fight people. All right, 8 seconds, guys. Ooh, so that's 6. I'm gonna do 12 here. All right, I'm buying. It might reject. I don't know, freak. All right, here we go. Might reject that VWAP line, but I'm gonna go for it. All right, so this isn't bad. All right, I got this on the funded as well. You know, you put the right kind of music on, all of a sudden you think you're tough. You would start walking around, you're like, yeah, look at me. I'm like, I don't need this crap anymore. That was so when I was like a teenager. You know what I like? I like lo-fi. I like house music, techno. I love like male vocal with a guitar. That's always good. Chill in the background. Epic music, like cinematic. Beautiful. That kind of stuff. Definitely not disco for me. Christian metal. You know, who's that one dude? Oh my gosh, he sings. He's kind of gothic. Gosh, so good. I gotta be honest with you though. I can't stand any. What do they call that? Grunge or like the screaming, dude. I can't do the screaming. I want to, dude. What are you listening to? Music? The music on? What are you listening to music on? I don't know what you're saying, bro. Homie G. Chill step. Come on, it was looking so good. All right, let's look at on the lower time frame. Let's see what it could be doing. Creating higher highs, higher lows. This is a good sign right here. Right, we have a little breaky-roo right here. Solid candle close. Let's build a case for ourselves, okay, of why this could be a potential good trade. All right, it would have to break through this 1 minute buy block. It would have to break through, well, I guess this 1 minute buy block. And we broke structure and we're above this VWAP line. So to me, good trade. If we lose this, it's okay, right? It was worth it. It was worth it. Let's see. How did I miscalculate my risk though on this one? I was thinking that was 500, not 800. Oops. It should hold. I miscalculated my risk on my other funded accounts. Doubled it on accident. Yeah, on YouTube. No, this isn't YouTube. Down tempo. Another problem I find with some of these non-copyright videos on YouTube is that they are actually copyright, but they just allow you to use them. But then they come back and they still like tag your account, and it might affect viewership. I don't know. It's okay though. Guys, I'm going to do a giveaway at 150 viewers. So share this with your friends. Like, tap the thumbs up button as many times as you possibly can. You got to tap until your finger hurts. And comment. Everybody at once. That I mean the members only training sessions. Yeah, Whitney. Members only is for VIP and up. The only thing with mentorship students is instead of like for boot camp, the only other thing I have to buy is essentially the boot camp, but I give a one-time special offer for all those people. So that's like the text messaging and stuff. And the reason for that is the cost and the time. So I'm basically hiring another guy to do the texting. So I got to pay more, you know what I mean? So it's just like that. That's the only reason I charge anything. That, and then there's just the time. It's just a different program, essentially. She's going to come back for her first fair value gap, I think. Yeah, we do have the fair value gap there too. This is like Chinese music or something, right? What's going on? All right, we have fair value gap here. This makes me want to talk like this. We should have Chinese music on all the time and then do like the thought process of like, we're just kicking our shin against a tree. martial artists. We're just numbing the pain so that our trades are easier. Hopefully it doesn't just tank. Don't do it to us. Push to here. Push to the green. Push to the green. What are you doing? There's that. Guys, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I've been going live every day between 1 and 2 p.m. for free on here. My members only live is going to be starting. I'm going to start the Zoom. I'm going to get the Zoom link out to everybody right away so you don't wait. But it's going to be starting at 2:05 today. We're going to have a good time, listen to some good music. I got to pick up my father-in-law 5 minutes away. Don't let it lose. I'm not going to let this lose. I'm going to try not to. We're kicking our shin against a tree, guys, making our trading legs numb. That's how you don't feel the pain no more, and you can trade these like demos. Faux show. You know what I mean? Faux shizzle. Karate Bob. Hey, I can't help. AI is just playing this, right? Oh, and by the way, see, this is what happens to me. There was a guy that hit. Okay, that was in Discord. I want to make sure he's got it. So is Antonio on here? Let's see. How do I reply to this message? Reply. Grab your all right. I hate this movement. Okay, it's Antonio. Antonio. Gmail. Notice how I could care less about this trade right now, guys. Like, in the trade, it's all good. We're just waiting for that rocket. I'm going to put an alert right here just so I could feel good when I hear it. You know, that's kind of what I do. Kind of what I do. Did we get a black belt? Yes. Antonio, what's up, buddy? There you are. Okay, beautiful, man. Shoot. All right, so let me... Did anybody take care of you yet? I apologize. We just added that ticketing system to Discord. I'm going to go ahead and... I'll make sure you're handled real quick. Lots of new members. Welcome all new members. By the way, there's still time. Go to SolomonTrading.com. Sign up for the $97 a month or lifetime if you want to save 20% a year. And I'm going to go live for another 2 hours. So that's up to you, though. If you don't like me, that's totally cool, too. Nobody's forcing you to come. Nobody's forcing you. All right, here we go. Institution sniper method, Supreme trend strategy, cloud break strategy, giving you all the bonuses, unlocking everything. Here we go. Save. And I just sent you an invite, Antonio. So what you're probably going to have to do is you accept the invite. It might ask you to pay $97 a month. You don't have to. You have to log back out of school and back in. It's a stupid bug they have every once in a while. Okay. Here we go. Let's get this. Let's get this trade, boys. Let's get this. I'm doing pretty good, like not being that tired. This is pretty cool. By the way, ladies, there's how many of you ladies in there? There's 12. I guess I'm one in there. I can't leave. I'm sorry. I don't think I can leave the room. There's 11 ladies in the women's only Solomon Women group in Discord. If you guys want to hang out, do what you women do. I don't know what you guys do, but I think it's pretty awesome. Okay, beautiful. I need to be better with my mentorship folder. Gotta get better. Yeah, man. Just show us trades, but don't just show us the trade. Okay. So this is for all the one-on-one people that work with me and the coaches. We need to see context, right? So do a quick screenshot of your higher time frame, kind of show everything to the left and say, this is why I'm looking for sells. This is why I'm looking for buys, and then send over the actual entry on the lower time frame, right? That she's playing games. Why didn't she want to break that? I don't like that. There was a little fair value gap there. Okay, that's one hope. Gotta have some hope. Little fair value gap there. I don't know. She playing games. In 5 minutes, I'm going to release the link. Actually, I'll give the link right now. We just get a rocket, please. I don't like how it's just sitting there on this freaking line like that. I might want to take liquidity first, but hopefully that 1 hour block holds below. That's why I put the thing there. Who wants to hang out with me today on Zoom? Somebody wants to. You got to be cool though, so if I deny you, I'm sorry. Let's see. Trading live with Beckett. And Q live with Beckett. Required. Boom. Boom. Schedule. Yeah, she might be taking some liquidity. Oh, actually, I didn't see a little wick. That's how it sounds. Guys, you can get out right now if you want. I'm hanging by the fact that this right here closed above this little high, and that there's all this imbalance in the market. It should fill. It should fill, even if it was just to here. Be a good little trade, I think. Make you feel good trade. Pick up the money off the ground kind of trade. Feed the family for a week or two trade. You know what I'm saying? I haven't done much since my surgery. Hey man, life is rough, dude. I did a post today and I said, you know, congrats to all the people that don't feel good and still get up and keep going. And that's you. You know, people don't realize everybody's going through something. If I showed you my trades, you would fly to Ohio to choke me. Well, see, just know that, right? Somebody's got to hold you accountable, Jay. I need to be better with my mentorship. Yeah, use it, man. Use it. We enjoy it. We appreciate it. All of us. Coach Bethany, who was a student and full-time trader now, Coach Christian, same situation. They love getting people, especially positive. We like positiveness, like, hey, this is what happened. You know, don't be afraid to share your feelings and stuff. But yeah, I got the link. Start this webinar. No, don't start it. Actually. This music's, it's like literally putting me to sleep. What the crap? It's like baby music. Like literally the kind of the nursery you get. I don't like that wick. I don't like this. Yikes, that sucks. Why couldn't you just come up to this fair value gap? We did have this little fair value gap, but it pushed off of that. Hold on, let me look at this. So I'm just going to bet that it will come up to this fair value gap too. And I'm going to have to get off here in 2 minutes, but my TP would probably be just somewhere in this area, not try to be a hero. Again, you can still get out of pretty much break even right now if you want. I'm going to hold the trade. After bad days, there's always better ones. That's really good, yes. Yeah, I have the utmost respect for people that keep on keeping on. All right, so I am going to Solomon Trading VIP group. Watch this. Put in link, trading NQ live. Again, you can jump in right now. Go to Solomon Trading VIP. Trading NQ live or VIP futures boot camp, futures boot camp, and one-on-one right now. Boom. Subcategory. General trade session. Live. Boom. Putting it in now. You can register for the link, as you can see right here. View tab, studio. What? Well, I put it in there. It's at the top, has live there. And I'm gonna also put it in my Telegram group. That's that. Slept 5 hours last night. Yawn. Sigh. Lucius boot camp. Trading on members only. Live right now. Boom. I just put it in there, and I put it Solomon Trading. Guys, jump in. $97 a month gets you access to this. Doesn't get you access to the text messaging and extra stuff, but yeah. Institutional bucket. Boom, boom. All right. So I put it all over Solomon Trading, or all over Telegram and all over there. All right, cool. So it's 2:06. I got to head over to the next. If you want to continue, just go to SolomonTrading.com. SolomonTrading.com. You could also hit the QR code above. Thank you so much for hanging out. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. Got to jump over to the members only. That's it. God bless. Take care. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for the last hour. God bless.